Alright, here we go. We're going to try some Google SketchUp today. And Google SketchUp is found in our Computer 8 Moodle page. If you surf on down, and you will find box number 8. It says Google SketchUp. And there's a list of assignments. You should do them in order. We're going to start with the L and the H and your names. This directions right here is for the L, the H, and then you're going to figure out your name. You can do your first or your last on your own. You'll have something, it's something three-dimensional, something colorful. Google SketchUp is a free software that is a CAD program, a computer-aided design. So, let me just check something real fast. Alright, I'm back. So, here we go. What you have on Moodle are just directions. So we're going to start with the L. So first of all, you got to know how to get to SketchUp. So we'll go to the start. Go to, well, mine's found right here under a little shortcut there. You can go to All Programs, Google SketchUp, which is right there at the bottom for me, and Google SketchUp, and we'll click that. It'll take a little while to load, especially since you all are going to be doing it at the exact same time. Okay. Next thing you'll do is hit Start Using Google SketchUp in the bottom right of this box. And is available for download. Remind me later. Okay. A couple things, important things I want to show you, like most used icons or buttons, I mean. So we've got the button that looks like an arrow is your select button. You'll use that often. You have a button on the top that looks like a pencil. That is for drawing straight lines. You've got a square or a rectangle that draws squares or rectangles. I mean, it's not rocket science here. You've got a circle. Another one you'll use often is the eraser. It's a little pink or red cube. And a paint bucket. You can change colors. And then your push-pull, and that's to make things three-dimensional. So, first, let's do a an L shape. So we're going to start by grabbing the rectangle, and we can just draw a box. So you click and drag out, and you can make it as big or as small as you want. Now, if we want to get rid of this young lady here, click on the arrow, click her, she'll turn blue, and hit your delete button on your keyboard. Now, we have a box here. You can use this, there's a button about the middle of your screen, top of your screen, that's an orbit tool. It's a black and a blue arrows going in circles. You can click that, and that way you can turn your object, and right now it is flat. It is a flat square rectangle, and we're going to look straight down on it. Now I'm going to grab my pencil. I'm going to draw on that. I'm going to make that box into an L. Now, if I leave my pencil right over it, it says it's on face, which means it's on the surface. We want to make an L starting at the top. You'll see I'll move my pencil to the top. I'm not clicking on anything yet. Move it to the top. It says on edge. That means I'm on that edge, that top part, top edge of our square or rectangle. I'll drag it down. It's green because it is parallel with this green line here. So that shows it is exactly parallel there. I'll just click it at the top to draw my line, bring it down, and then I will draw it over And I want to complete, now it turned red, so now I'm parallel with this line. Next thing I will click on is the edge of my square or rectangle. Excuse me. And I've got an L shape. Now, get rid of it by clicking on my eraser and deleting that line and deleting that line, and I've got what looks like an L. Now let's make it three-dimensional, and this is like the coolest button. I have a flat surface. I grab my push-pull, which looks like a box with an arrow drawn straight up on it. Click on that. Click and drag up, and I can make it as big or as small as I would like. Again, I can take my orbit tool, I can rotate it around, and there's what looks like an L. You can zoom out by using your magnifying glass. Zoom in, zoom out. Or if you have a roller on your mouse, you can zoom out by using the roller. Okay? So that's an L. We'll go to File, Save As. Make sure you save it in your U drive. Go to My Documents. Save it, please, 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 in your 8th grade computer folder. And title it Class Period. So your number for your class period, first initial, last name, and then the project name, and we'll just call this L shape. And hit save. Boom, done with your L. Alright, next will be the video for your H.